Hey, so last week I posted about July being all about buying local, and while this is a focus for us this month, it is really something that we should be doing every single month. It should be whenever we need anything in our business, we go, who in the business league can help me? Whether it's needing paper clips all the way through to something for your home, something for your business, whatever it is. And that should be the first point of call. And to be honest, instead of going to Google, it'd be great if every member went to the members lounge and said, hey, does anyone know someone that can pluck the eyebrows of my pet cat? Whatever it is, for you to get done. The laughter in the background is Beck enjoying my example there, so hopefully you did as well. So that's yes, while we're focusing on it in July, it should be business as usual for everyone. And in part of that, what I want us to look at this week is whose service can you actively go out and either use yourself or refer to. And so go through the members list and look at the list and go, well, there's 2 names that I'm going to try and help this month. Whether it's you doing it or someone you know, that would be amazing. And if everybody did that, there's 160 pieces of business straight away for the collective body. Now, inside that, to be honest, there are some members that everybody should give a go because they're not a big purchase. They're something that is used every day in your business, regardless of your business. And to single 2 of those out there, office supplies and mechanics. And AJ, obviously the office supplies, but also there's the mechanics, Cam and Linda, jump out at me, and they should be people that if you haven't met and sent vehicles to or ordered stationery through, you should give them a go. And it's looking at the list and going, who are those 2 people that I can use this month, and helping them. So if everybody did that, I think it just would be a refocus. And I'm sure a lot of you do in the background, but this month we just really want to focus in on and get some good traction with the community, helping the community. So this week, who are those 2 people that you're going to help? If you want to tag the 2 people that you're going to help down below, they'd love that. If not, just let me know that you've identified 2 people by commenting below this video. If you've got any questions, we're always here to help, and we're just focused on getting you results.